They're at the opening. They better back up.
Oh, we could probably get by.
No,
Yeah,
fucking
we
ain't
can.
getting by in this shit. Is that a motorcycle?
That's side by side, baby.
Give him the space. Don't scare him away.
Oh, you're married.
I wonder why everyone's coming from that side.
I don't know, maybe I'm fucking up.
Hold on, let me pull your mirror. This will be fucking interesting.
Someone behind him.
Oh, fuck.
No!
Yeah, that's never happened.
How close am I, Gavin?
You've got...
About 6 inches?
Yeah.
Huh?
About 6 inches?
Oh, there's more.